All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Before I'm going ahead and open this bad boy, just let me remind you to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, share this content, and let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this Fury right over here made by TJ Fisher. And there's a little bit of customization going on in this bad boy because the blade is a Chad Nickel Mai Damascus made by Rob Carter, as well as the Mai backspacer, almost absolutely perfectly symmetrical for this Fury. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Thanks to Tim for sending this bad boy along and letting me check it out and share my impressions with you. The blade is a 3-inch long compound ground and a 4-inch long handle. This black wood carbon fiber, titanium, I'd say bolster lock with a 5.08 ounces of weight in the pocket. Gorgeously done. Pivot with the blackwood pivot collar. Flawless bolster. The fibers on this carbon fiber are just something spectacular. Look at the section. Mai. Look at the details on the spacer. Make sure you pop that 4K setting on. Look at this clip. Hidden hardware. Flipper tab absolutely working just perfectly. Pivot collars, pivot. Everything is pretty flawless into this one. You have no jimping, just a nice harpoon with a swedge, double recurve blade in a hollow grind. Mai Damascus from Chad Nichols. The pocket clip, flawless. Look at the core, running perfectly symmetrically in the center in this geared backspacer. Snappy action. It's pretty cool. This section, I love the section of this carbon fiber. Look at that. Sometimes I just want to shut up and let you guys enjoy the beauty and let the images speak by themselves. You can see the core on this Mai blade. Just gorgeous. Snappy. Feels great in the hand, I have to say. This harpoon just ends right at the right spot. Sharpening choil and the finger choil, actually, which kind of works at least, you know, yeah, this gets sharp right up to the end. So just keep that in mind. But overall, it's a compact package. Classy. Titanium and carbon fiber is one of my favorite combo. I believe this is a copper inlaid pivot. Is that or I'm not sure. Might be copper, but for sure this is a custom pivot. You can see the blasting on the titanium perfectly executed. You can see the layers in this Sanmai. Gorgeously done. The jimping on the flipper tab right over here with the chamfering on the sides, and still you can see all the layers. Look at that, surrounding the core, forming this pretty cool jacket of Damascus blade. Pretty loud. The opening action is extremely fast. Closing action is very slow. It's brand new, so it still needs some break-in period, of course. But feels great in the hand. Reverse grip, yeah, you can do it. Big finger groove following the contour of the flipper tab. Perfectly centered. This guy runs on bearings. Push button works. A light switch, absolutely. No drop shot action because again it's tight. Stop pin exposed, which just boom stops the blade right there, and acts also when the blade is closed, I believe. Detent is medium, but just so snappy. Just deploys beautifully. Nice and smooth to the touch. Slippery to one point, but not that much because of the finger grooves and the jimping on the spacer. It's gonna give you a nice and grippy feeling. Pretty cool hidden hardware for the pocket clip and for the bolsters. So you're gonna need a special tool to get into that. I don't know if you can see, there's two screws holding together the bolster that you need to take it out to access the underneath screw for the disassembly of this beautiful custom knife. Very, very cool. Again, you know, it's carbon fiber and titanium and Sanmai. A phenomenal combo. Beautiful execution from Robert Carter and Chad Nichols for the supplying of the material for this double recurve. Menacing fury. I love the action, so snappy that I wish I had the custom bit to just release a little bit of tension, but I will let Tim do that and break in and enjoy this phenomenal one. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.